Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified repair technician. I'm going to take my pry tool here and I'm going to go ahead and open up my computer. You can look up a disassembly for yours on how to get inside. Now this one we specifically cover the topic of overheating. If you feel your computer is not turning off due to overheating, I have links down below for recommended videos for other solutions for non-overheating issues for computers shutting off. Now for any of the tools used in this video, I've included links down below so you can see them. Where we got them. Now I'm going to use my microfiber cloth spray with a 70 to 90% alcohol solution, and I'm going to wipe off any liquid spills I see on the board, and I'm making sure to inspect the whole board and gently clean off any liquid, because this can make connections that aren't supposed to be there on the board. And if you can remember any specific spot perhaps getting some liquid, say you might even need to take off the motherboard and check the underneath, making sure to clean it and making sure that it's dry of any alcohol before turning it back on, because this is a big cause for overheating. Next, I'm going to show you how to clean your fan. This is another big reason why people have issues with their computer overheating. And now I'm going to unplug it, and then I'm going to take the two screws and I'm going to undo it. So I've examined my whole board, cleaned any sort of spills or liquid off of it. Now I'm taking the fan off. I'm going to take a high pressure air cannon. You could also use a hair blow dryer or a can of compressed air. I've included the can of compressed air and the air cannon down below. This is what your fan looks like. If you find that it's still loud, you find replacement fans on places like eBay and Amazon, in case you feel you need to order a new one as opposed to just cleaning it. Sometimes just cleaning it isn't enough. Sometimes if you find it's not turning on properly or it makes a really loud noise even after cleaning it. So I take the cannon and I give it a good, run through with that air cannon and clean out any sort of debris. Next, I'm going to clean the heat sink. This is another big reason why a computer overheats, is the fan and the heat sink are not working properly together. Okay, so now that I've gotten the heat sink off, I'm going to clean out that little vent there, because the fan takes the air and it expels it through there, and all that hot air goes out. If those two things aren't functioning properly, your CPU and motherboard can't stay cool properly. So I'm going to give it a good blast with that air cannon. I do recommend these air cannons because, as you can see, you can clean out the inside of your computer really easily. This one's not particularly dirty, this computer, but sometimes you open it up and they are filthy because you use your computer for everything. The next thing I'm going to do is use some thermal paste on the CPU. I forgot to clean off the CPU before doing this, but I do recommend that. Now, as you can see, it's dried out and there isn't much on there, so I go ahead and I put some new thermal paste. I put a link down below with some good quality thermal paste, because not all thermal paste is created equal, people. You got to get the good quality stuff. So go ahead and, as you can see, put your heatsink back on, and there are 4 screws, and it is kind of like putting a tire on. You have to go one screw and then across the way to the other screw at an angle so that you don't get one side tighter than the other. Okay, so I've got thermal paste and my motherboard's clean. Also be careful not to touch it with the oils on your hand, your motherboard. Don't get all, touchy with your motherboard. You'll regret it. It can cause problems, the oils on your skin. So hands off, people. All right, now I install my fan and I go ahead and I plug it in. Make sure it's plugged in securely, because one big bummer is worse than your fan not working properly is having it not work at all. So make sure it's tight and snug. Put it back in. Do a good job, people. Otherwise you'll regret it, because I have done this before. Close your computer up and then it gives you that horrible fan error because you didn't plug it in properly. So make sure to do that. And now, so my motherboard is clean. New thermal paste. I have my fan clean, my heatsink clean, and that is how you fix an overheating problem. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it in any way helpful, please like and share. If you like do-it-yourself computer repair videos, then go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and one of our certified repair technicians will answer you. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.